Good morning, it's Friday 4th of June 2021. So we've got non-farm payroll out of the US today at 1:30 p.m. UK time, that is, and CAD unemployment news as well at the same time. Probably won't be trading any USD pairs today personally. I normally would wait until the Monday, purely because literally we can see the dollar move one way, move the other, totally reverse. So it's a bit tough really, and there is I would say less probability of a profitable trade because of that kind of whipsawing movement or reversal movement that we can sometimes have during non-farm payroll. So I generally stay away from that until Monday. Something you could look at is in fact, before I say that, before I talk about that, dollar CAD. Hopefully you guys took this. I broke this down on the update on the 2nd of June, totally dedicated the whole update to dollar CAD about why we're looking for a buy setup, and I gave you this trade actually. In fact, I think the trade was something like this to the top of this range. As you can see, we've got this bottom here, we've got this top here, but we have actually closed this because 3%, guys, is 3%, you know what I mean? It's a great result, so we've closed this. It's up to you if you want to do the same, but if you took the trade, we broke it down. We actually gave you this trade in the video, so if you took it, well done, you've made some money there. Yes, something you could potentially look at is Aussie Kiwi. Now, we're interested in Aussie Kiwi because, well, if I just look at the daily, you can see this kind of momentum to the downside that's going on with Aussie Kiwi in this section of price action here. So I'm going to drop down to the 4 hour, you can see this, what's called a counter trend line, CTL here, as price forms a correction before it drops again for the next impulse. Now potentially this movement here is another correction, potentially. So we could have an impulse, correction, impulse coming into the bottom of the structure. Maybe we'll test this low again, who knows. But it's in a very interesting position now. So we're going to be looking for selling momentum to come in. Hasn't come in yet. Okay, we can see that we've still slowly moved to the upside. In fact, looking at that could still push to the upside. That looks like a correction for upside, so not over yet. So don't get jumping into any sells on this at the moment. Either look for a nice clean break of a counter trend line, just like this one for instance. So nice clean close below, pull back, sell. End of day traders could look for a sell stop. I'm just going to move these for a second. Potentially a sell stop below yesterday's candle here. Okay, or you might want to sit this out and look for an evening star pattern to form. Bullish candle there, strong bullish momentum. That bullish momentum seems to be dying down there. And today, yes, we've still got just under 12 hours to go. But it'd be nice to see if this turns up as some kind of exhaustion candle on the daily and we see sellers come in, ideally breaking and closing below this low. That'd be absolutely brilliant, and that would potentially give us a sign that we are going to see some downside. So there's a number of ways to get into this trade if we actually get the right price action at all. Okay, nothing is guaranteed in trading. We'll have our bias, we know what we're looking for, we've just got to see the price action now. So today's close could be very, very interesting for Aussie Kiwi as well as dollar pairs as well. So guys, that's it from myself and the team for this week. Hope you've enjoyed the content, and I hope you've made some money as well. Always looking to try and give you the best setups that we can possibly find. Cool, so have a great weekend guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.